This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the essentials and taking the first concrete actions now. Open Pokémon Go, confirm Adventure Sync and location permissions, then move to a dense Poké-stop area. Parks or plazas work best. Once there, spin every nearby Poké-stop and accept any available field research tasks. This immediately increases your active task pool. While you walk a short loop, keep the app open enough to register spins and catches, because quick, repeated interactions are how you seed more tasks fast. Once you have initial tasks, focus on the complex middle work that scales your yield. Make a tight loop through stop clusters and spin 10 to 20 Poké stops. Each spin is a new chance for field research. Prioritize and knock out easy, quick tasks first. Throw 1 curveballs, catch 3 of a species, or visit a gym to free slots and trigger new tasks. Use incense and a high-level buddy to speed up catches and rewards, and be mindful of timing during special research events that boost task drops. You complete the process by finishing tasks and keeping your slot rotation healthy. Turn in completed field research to clear slots and claim encounters, prioritizing task rewards that match the Pokémon you want. Make sure your item and Pokémon storage aren't full so rewards register properly. If field research stops appearing or seems stuck, toggle your phone's GPS, force close and restart the app, then revisit and respin nearby Poké stops. This often forces the server to refresh and resume task drops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.